The fog rolls in, unveiling the colossal lantern ship stuck in the slipstream. Looks like the ship's stuck again. But the conduit's overloaded. We'll need to reroute the flow.
On it! Keep an eye on the pressure gauge.
Step aside! Time to dazzle the crowd!
Kai, this isn't a show. You're making it worse.
The whole system's locking up. We need to stop it. Maybe I overdid it. Okay, I get it. What do you need me to do?
Hold this steady and don't let go.
Ship dislodges as sunlight breaks through the fog.
We did it! The ship's moving!
Teamwork, huh? Not bad. Guess we make a pretty good team after all.
Don't get used to it, but...
Yeah, not bad.